Ever wondered why that foundation everyone's raving about looks cakey on you? Or why your friend's miracle moisturizer makes you break out? It's not you, and it's not the product, it's about the match. For centuries, people have been trying to perfect their complexions. Ancient Egyptians used coal and minerals, not just for beauty, but to protect their skin from the sun. The Greeks and Romans used lead-based powders for a pale look, often with disastrous effects on their skin health. They didn't understand what we know now. Skincare isn't one size fits all. Your skin is unique, and treating it right is the ultimate secret to flawless makeup. So, how do you figure out your skin type? It's easier than you think. Try the bare face test. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser, pat it dry, and then just wait. After about 30 minutes, look in the mirror. If your face feels tight and looks a bit flaky, you likely have dry skin. If you're seeing a noticeable shine on your nose, forehead, and cheeks, you have oily skin. A mix of both, maybe an oily T-zone, but dry cheeks. That's combination skin. And if your skin feels comfortable, not too oily, not too dry, congratulations, you have normal skin. There's also sensitive skin, which can get red or irritated easily, but that often overlaps with other types. Knowing this is the first and most important step. Let's start with dry skin. If your skin feels like a dessert, you need to bring in the oasis. Your keyword is hydration. Look for cleansers that are creamy and gentle, avoiding anything that foams up too much, as those can strip away your natural oils. For serums, hyaluronic acid is your best friend. It's like a giant drink of water for your skin cells, holding up to 1,000 times its weight in water. When it comes to moisturizers, think rich and creamy. Look for ingredients like ceramides, shea butter, and squalane. These create a protective barrier to lock in moisture. For foundation, choose a dewy or satin finish. A hydrating liquid or cream foundation will blend seamlessly without clinging to dry patches, giving you that healthy, plump glow. Avoid matte powders at all costs. They'll just emphasize any dryness. Now for my oily skin friends. Your main goal is to control shine without completely stripping your skin. Overdrying will just make your skin produce even more oil. It's all about balance. It helps to gently exfoliate and keep pores clear. When you think of moisturizer, you might be tempted to skip it, but don't. Your skin still needs hydration. Look for oil-free, non-comedogenic, lightweight lotions or gel moisturizers. For makeup, a mattifying primer is a must. It creates a smooth base and helps control oil throughout the day. Go for an oil-free matte finish foundation. Setting your makeup with a translucent powder will also be your secret weapon against midday shine. It locks everything in place and keeps you looking fresh. What if you're dealing with combination skins? Welcome to the club. It's the most common skin type. You're essentially treating two different skin types on one face. It sounds tricky, but it's just about strategic product placement. You might use a gentle foaming cleanser all over. For your T-zone, you can use a lightweight, gel-based moisturizer. On your drier cheeks, you can apply a slightly richer cream. It's like multi-masking, but for your daily routine. When it comes to foundation, a satin finish formula often works best. It's not too matte, not too dewy, giving a natural look. You can then strategically powder just your T-zone to keep the oil at bay, leaving your cheeks with a natural radiance. This customized approach ensures every part of your face gets exactly what it needs. Finally, for those with normal skin, your focus is on maintenance and prevention. You've hit the genetic lottery, but you still need to protect your skin. A gentle cleanser, a light moisturizer, and most importantly, sunscreen every single day will keep your skin happy and healthy for years to come. For sensitive skin, the key is to be gentle. Look for products that are fragrance-free and hypoallergenic. Ingredients like Centella asiatica, also known as cica, and niacinamide are great for soothing redness and strengthening the skin barrier. Always patch dust new products on a small area of your skin before applying them to your whole face. This can save you from a major reaction. So, the next time you're shopping for makeup or skincare, don't just grab what's popular. Take a moment to read the label and understand what you're putting on your face. Knowing your skin type is the foundation of any great beauty routine. It transforms makeup from something that just sits on top of your skin to something that works with it. When you give your skin what it truly needs, you're not just covering up imperfections. You're enhancing your natural beauty. Your skin will thank you, and your makeup will never have looked better. Thanks for watching.